Hi there, right, yes, it's been a few days. That's generally because I didn't get the deliveries I was expecting, so I didn't have all the parts I needed. But yeah, kind of now I do. Not all the parts, I'm still waiting for the little jumper pins, but I think I've got enough I can get started and I can start putting stuff together. So just a reminder, I'm going to build like a distance sensor to give me an audible indication of how far objects are away from me. I know there's going to be changes and they might change the distancing rules now because we've got entering stage 2 and all that stuff, but I think it's going to be an interesting project anyway, so I thought I would do it. So what I've got with me today, and I've also got all the bits. Oh, I did talk about the fact that I had a dilemma about putting a rocker switch in for turning it on and off. In the end I decided to buy a battery box with a switch, so that's that problem solved. I don't have to wire in another switch then. Right, so I guess I'll get on with it. Down by the side of me I got a tablet which has a blown up view of the Arduino, because I can't see this, so I'm going to have to count the pins and put the little jumpers on where the pins are. Hopefully I've got my mobile phone here recording a different angle. We'll see if that works. I can't see the screen because it's behind, so it's all a bit trial and error, isn't it? I mean, I'm not a YouTuber. I thought this would just be some, a bit of fun, a bit of entertainment, and see if I can actually do this. So what I'm going to do is I've got this main camera down now. So I've got the monitor right in front of me, so I'm going to use the main camera to see what I'm doing, because I can't see it by eye. I could use the magnifier, but even this magnifier is not strong enough. That's a 12 times magnifier, and even with my glasses that still isn't strong enough to see the pins, so I'm just going to have to guess. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is connect up the ultrasonic sensor. So this has, from memory, I believe the red pin is the voltage, these two in the middle are echo and trigger, and I have to work out which way those are around, and then ground on the outside. So, looking at my diagram on my tablet, the ground is the second pin in so that way around for my orientation. So ground pin being the yellow one. Try to get it so you can see it. Right, I'm assuming that's the second pin. It feels like the second pin. There's a gap, and then there's the VCC, and I believe the VCC is the brown. Let's have a look. Yeah, I believe that's the brown wire, and that goes into the fourth pin. Let me stick the ISO up, maybe that will help brighten this thing up a bit. There we go. Way too dark. Right. Okay, here we go. And that is the fourth pin. No, it's not. Right. So it should be a empty pin connected, which confirms with my diagram here, because it goes raw, ground, I believe that's reset, and VCC, so that's that one. Right, so I've got to remember which one's trigger and which one is echo on this one. Well, it doesn't really matter because I can just change the script to whatever whatever pins I put them in. So the trigger is red by the looks of it. The trigger's red and echo is orange. I think from memory I was going to use pins 2 and 3 for this. So pins 2 and 3 are at the top next to ground. And they are, let's have a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. God, now I've got to count my fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, so yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that's trigger, and I'll work out which one's which when I get onto the coding. I think I've done it right there. I think that's trigger and echo, which I've got on 2 and 3. Right, okay, so that's the sensor connected. What I need to move on to now is the buzzer. Yeah, I've just seen where I've got the problem now because I haven't got my jumpers. So I can't really connect this, but the first thing I've got to do is disconnect it from this board because I don't need this board. So just feeling around where that is. God, it's super tight. Undo that one. Try and find the next hole. Okay, that should be loose enough now to pull out. There we go. Discard that, don't need it. And now this is where my delivery not turning up has caused me a problem because I now can't put jumper cables on these and connect it to here, which I need to do. So that's a pain. That's kind of stopped me in my tracks, hasn't it? So I shall come back and see what I can glean from this, see if I can come up with an idea. Hey there, right, you've rejoined me after I've had a little bit of a think. I've changed my lens as well to have a better magnification on it. I didn't want to end this video on a downer, like, oh gosh, what can I do now? Some people aren't going to like this, but I have no tools and I don't have the equipment available to do it properly. So what I'm going to do, I've discovered, to get the ultrasonic sensor wire, not ultrasonic sensor wire, the buzzer wire, onto here. And I've done it on the other one for practice. I'll just show you what I've done. This is a pain. I spent the last hour trying to get it up. I didn't video it because you didn't want to see me try and pick at this. But basically I eventually managed to get a screwdriver underneath this latch here, and I pulled it up, which allows me to slide this jumper off. And what I'm going to do, so I'm going to strip this wire back a little bit. I'm going to wind it around there and put that back on again. And that way I can have at least cables with jumpers on the end of them, which I can connect to my Arduino. I think we can at least get on with the project. What's that looking like? Because it's dark now as well, I'm having to work with a lamp. There we go. Let's get rid get that final piece of insulation. There we go. So that's left me with a bit of a cable that I can then twist around. I mean, when I take this, I will do this properly once my stuff arrives, but for now I can't, so this will have to do. So yeah, so I just twisted it around like that. Now I'm just going to find the connector, or the butt thing. Slide that on. That's not all the way around. I can feel a bit of thread out there, so let's just do that a bit more. Which way around does this go? It goes that way around because that's up. Push that all the way in. Push that lug. I know lighting is really poor here, but it's late at night, so sorry. I think I can try and put this back onto manual focus, but I think it's going to go nuts. Automatic focus, sorry. Push that back down. Yeah, I think as long as you don't tug on it too hard, it's fine. So, there's what I did earlier. So it's on an orange cable because I couldn't find a red one. Whew, that was a palaver, wasn't it? So, the black cable goes to ground. So, black to pin 4. Sounds like a chess move to me. Right, black to pin 4. And I think we were putting the orange cable, which is our feed cable, on pin 10, which I think is the end one. Let me check the schematic. Pin 10 is the end one. Good memory, Leona. Right, we are all wired up. Ready to rock and roll, I think. All I've got to do now is plug it into the USB and program it and see if that all works. So I'll do that in another video because it's too late tonight. I'm going to edit this one and get it out. But we are all connected up, so I'll check these, make sure everything's in the right place. I think this looks right. But I'll check it off camera again and make sure it is right. Got a little pot here if I need to put in something. I was thinking maybe a volume control for the piezo, don't know. I'll try that, see if that works. If it's too loud, I can stick a volume pot on it. I've got 3 of these. I don't know if they're different ratings. So that's a 30k or something, or 300k, can't really tell. I can see the 300k but nothing in the middle. Yeah. So I guess you just put the butt connectors onto that, I guess. Don't know. Well, if we need it, it's there. Yeah, so like I say, I think that's all I'm going to do tonight. So this is now ready to go, and I just have to hook it up to the USB. That's it. Okay, well thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.